Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly change your bank account information on TurboTax all in just 1 minute. First, you're going to log into your TurboTax account. Once you are in, navigate to your current tax return or profile setting. Next is you need to find the section for direct deposit or refund information. This is where you originally entered your bank details. And now for that step is you need to click on the edit option next to your bank account details. Enter your new bank account routing and account numbers carefully. Make sure you do that carefully. Make sure all the numbers are correct to avoid any delays with your refund. And now after double checking your new details, hit save or confirmed to update your information, and that's it. If you run into any issue, TurboTax Help Center is just a click away. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick tips. See you in the next video.